This is the first exercise of Harvard's Python course CS50. In this problem, we need to use the input function, which allows user input, and then we need to output that same input in lowercase. So if you go to Visual Code Studio, and by the way, my mic picks up everything, so you're gonna hear me swallowing or breathing, etc. And I can't really bother to edit it because that's long. So yeah, open up the terminal, and then I've created a folder for this series on YouTube. So we'll go to the folder CS50P, and then our first code is indoor.py. So normally, if I'm using the input function, I'll call the string prompt. Now, I'm not sure if this is good practice or bad practice. So if there's someone who has more knowledge and can benefit us, that'd be great. Just leave a comment in the comments. So there's two ways of doing it. So we can do it like this. Run that. So if I type it capital locks, come back as lowercase. Or we can do it like this as well. So yeah, you can do it like that or like that. And that's the first problem. It's pretty simple. Exit the terminal. And that's it.